Hello YouTube, I'm Megan.
And I'm Didi.
And we're DM Adventures. We're back in Fethiye from our quick trip to Nepal, and today we are going out with our friends K Group Turkey on their boat. And we're going to show you guys the fun we get up to with our friends on the boat today.
Let's go, guys.
My name is Noel, and I'm your host for the afternoon. And I'd like to welcome you to Fethiye. Come and join us.
So this is our friend Turgut.
We're having a great time here in the boat today, and the weather is so chill, nice.
What's the name of your band?
Funky Phonics.
Funky Phonics, guys.
Yes.
I want you to see your arms.
Blue Ridge Mountains, sheen on the river. Life is hard there, colder than those which was it? Colder than the mountains, falling like a reef. Country road, take me home to the place. Come on. I belong, West Virginia. Mountain, 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 take me home. Country roads. I feel out there in the morning.
How's it going, ladies? Looking beautiful. This is our first time flying the drone over water. We've only ever flown it on land, so So now we are heading to Help Beach, one of the most famous beach in Fethiye. We stopped the boat, parked the boat, thanks to our great captains getting us here safely. Got a speed boat that we're gonna take over here and go land on the beach. See what we get up to over there. Nice, love it.
I
think you'll have to sit there, yeah.
It's time to get off the boat. The big boat is over there, guys. And now we're getting off at this beach resort. Let's go. Oh! Teşekkürler.
We are now in Help, one of the best beaches in Fethiye, also in the area. So whenever you want to have chat, you can please come here and enjoy with us. My name is Theo.
Theo.
Theo, yes. We are waiting for you.
Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going?
I don't know.
It's a nice place, huh?
Yeah.
But apparently it's only 15 minutes away from Fethiye.
Yeah, so it's on the other side.
Oh, nice. Alright guys, we just stopped here for like an hour.
Chubok Bay, Long Island.
Are you going to take a tequila shot?
I am, yeah.
A very special thank you to K Group for sponsoring this vlog. Remember friends, when you're in Fethiye, book a boat tour on the K boat with K Group Turkey.